pasta. I got macaroni and the swirly pasta, a couple of different colors for a little bit of visual aid. In here I've mixed up a nice cream roux. So it's flour, flour, butter, milk, cup and a half of milk, cup of tasty cheese. Here's the secret ingredient. We've got 1 little scoop of sour cream, parmesan, and of course we can't forget crushed up garlic. 1 little clove, not a lot, just enough to make it taste like something else that it isn't. And now we're going to do the chicken. Baking pot, a little bit of cheese on the top, and there you go. That is my macaroni cheese special. Yeah. Okay. All right. These will go in once that's cooked. This will brown them up a little bit, try and take a little bit of the moisture out of them, and then they will go into this beautiful mix here of my sauce and pasta. And I will lightly grate some cheese over the top. Garnish with, season with salt and pepper. Bake for 20 minutes to half an hour on a low heat, then pump it up right at the top to crispen it up, and that's it, done. Now, if your missus says she doesn't like salt, pepper, but she loves Worcestershire sauce, then rest assured, if you add pepper to all her food, she'll think it tastes great and has no idea why. Remember, less is more. All right, so if you were in the bush, you would probably add the pasta to this mix, then put the whole lot in here and then the sauce, but seeing as I needed the space out here, I'm going to do it backwards. So just do those steps backwards and it'll turn out a lot better. I'm going to try and put this in here, I'll mix it up, add the cheese to the top, in the oven for, 20 minutes, half an hour at 180, oven still not preheated. There she goes. Okay, so she's up there now. All right, next step. Okay, so we are going to add the cheese, cook uncovered for 20 minutes, half an hour. Hit it on a really high heat to brown up the top or maybe just a bit of the grill. And then that's pretty much it. Leave it uncovered. You want this sauce to dissipate. You're going to get a lot more water from all the veggies that are in there, so you don't want to be sopping up soup for dinner. Once again, less is more. That is plenty. You can still see the food from it. This big piece of cauliflower should be on the bottom, but it's too late now. All right, let's go put her in. And while that's cooking, I worked in a kitchen, commercial kitchen, so I'm used to making mess and having people clean it up. So the reason behind this little cook-off is you guys have been making a few videos on cook-ups. Now this is in my kitchen, but this is full camp kitchen. The flour was out of my ute, so it's sort of the same kind of thing. And this can be made anywhere. If you've got your camp oven, throw a pot in the camp oven so you're not getting cheese everywhere. And just make it the same way, chuck it in the fire, keep an eye on it, and yeah. All right, I'll show you the end result in a minute. Oh, what? Just thinking, even though this is on my phone, I've actually got a pretty good studio here for cooking. Like, beautiful lighting. Look at that. This is, what, 5:45 at night? Half past 5. So, into the cooker, into the sink, where I chop up my crap, back to me. And look at that light. Oh, it's fantastic. There you go. 15 minutes later, this is what she looks like. Still a bit of water around the sides. You could probably pull it out there, but I'm gonna go a little bit more. She's only on grill at the moment. All right. That is ready. Okay, how much do you want? Because it was your one, I felt it dropping everywhere. Touch that spot. Do you want the rest of that put in?
Yeah, whatever.
Alright, just as much. Thank you. So that's my mac and cheese. Roasted, vegetable, garlic, everything.